Hello everybody on YouTube, this is Korean back, and today I want to show you how to make Alfredo sauce. We're going to start by melting the butter. This is 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once that melts, add 4 cloves of shredded garlic. And then add half a cup of flour and mix it until it becomes a roux. Once that thickens, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then add 4 cups of whole milk. And then add 4 ounces of cream cheese to it. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then whisk that up until it's nice and blended. And then add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then whisk that until it's nice and blended. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then finally 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. After you put the Parmesan cheese into the mixture, let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens. I'm cooking this on medium heat. After the Alfredo sauce is done, you can pour this on your favorite pasta. The recipe is going to be in the description. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.